This is a lovely accessory. Can we find out?
Not one that I'd want to have or wish on anybody. I broke my shoulder skiing. Somebody ran in. I had caution tape, but my wife said, you can't have caution tape at the Power of Love, so she put hearts all over my brace. So
Oh, power of love,
that's
right?
it. That's it.
Well, tonight I'm seeing so many people showing up and giving back, giving their love and support really because of both of you. How does that make you feel?
It's extraordinary that our friends from all over the world have flown in here tonight. It really is a sold-out event. We have 1,100 people. The chefs only wanted to cook for 800, but we convinced them we could do 900, then 1,000, 1,100. But what this really does is it brings not only awareness to the disease, but most important to me, it allows everybody to know about the Cleveland Clinic and the commitment they've made to Las Vegas, to Nevada, to Alzheimer's, and what the Cleveland Clinic is bringing to our state. So that's what we're most proud of tonight.
Well, can I tell you, I have a personal reason why I'm here. I've had a grandmother who had Alzheimer's disease, and it touches so many people's lives. And what you're doing here, really, like you say, bring awareness. But you're putting families, you're bringing families together. You're bringing love to this disease, where it's just absolutely amazing.
If you're not a caregiver today, chances are you'll either be a caregiver in the very near future. Unfortunately, the numbers are out. Women are getting the disease younger. It's 1 in 2 over 85 and 4 out of 5 over 90. So 80% of our population in that age group is going to have a disease. So it'll be a loved one, a family member, a grandparent, a great-grandparent. But we believe now at the Lou Ruvo Center for Brain Health, with early detection, we're going to be able to halt this disease and give a better quality of life to those afflicted with this disease.
So for our audience out there who would like to lend a hand to help out in any way possible, is there a website, or who should they contact?
Keep Memory Alive.
KeepMemoryAlive.org. Absolutely. And we have many volunteers. We have a great volunteer program. Our volunteers are the best. We couldn't do what we do without our volunteers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.